strings that came with your guitar kit. Just poke the ball end through the hole from the electronics cavity into the pickup cavity. And turn the guitar over. And just loop the wires through the ball end of the string. And just simply pull that through like so. Okay, so once the wires are through, see there's a little bit of play in the with the pickup and the pickup cavity. So we want to make sure we get that pickup aligned perfectly. So what I'd recommend doing next is taking your bridge, put your low E and high E string on. Now this is a wraparound bridge, which means we need to insert from underneath, and it wraps around and sits in the saddle like so.